We begin at the very edge of the Earth. Sheer, absolute vertical drops cutting directly through the dense Amazonian canopy. Yet right beside this untouched biology sits a massive apparatus of raw extraction, steel derricks pumping millions of barrels of crude. All of that kinetic energy feeds straight into the heavily secured, reinforced concrete high-rises of the capital's executive sector. This map tracks global proven oil reserves. Venezuela holds the top position, maintaining a larger concentrated petroleum vault than Saudi Arabia or Canada. Moving across these regions, from oil fields to urban centers, requires navigating distinct, localized environments, starting with the border itself. Accessing this territory demands precise legal architecture. You do not simply buy a ticket and land on the runway. The sovereign border network heavily restricts entry. For passport holders from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or India, a physical visa is an absolute requirement. You must navigate the legal consular track. This means processing official sticker visas through embassies, backed entirely by verified letters of invitation or corporate sponsor assets. Even with that paperwork, clearing the immigration desk at Simón Bolívar International requires strict compliance, 6 months of absolute passport validity, completed digital migration cards, and a locked return flight. Getting past the terminal is only the initial layer. The real friction begins once you step onto the street. The local economy operates under a unique dual monetary structure. As this overlapping currency shows, everyday transactions are split. The official digital Venezuelan bolivar circulates directly alongside massive physical blocks of US dollar notes used for nearly all street-level commerce. To baseline your survival, a heavy, protein-rich meal inside a secure commercial zone costs around $8 to $15 US. However, the cost curve spikes for shelter. Securing a modernized, energy-independent apartment inside elite executive sectors like Las Mercedes or Altamira requires $700 to $1,300 a month, typically paid entirely in cash. Surviving here forces you to run constant mental conversions, physically transporting stacks of hard currency to cover highly fragmented local pricing. Public safety here does not exist as a blanket guarantee. It is strictly geographic. Isolated natural sanctuaries act as complete safe zones. The coral atolls of Los Roques and the deep national parks operate outside the mainland threat matrix. But the capital, Caracas, requires a totally different operational posture. Dense inner barrios, like the hillside blocks of Petare, record extreme property crime rates and operate as absolute no-go zones for outsiders. Foreign technical contractors and media teams follow strict blueprints to mitigate this risk. You live in a gated complex. You use pre-arranged private transport loops. You avoid walking unescorted past sunset. Safety in this environment is an engineered asset, purchased through rigid adherence to tactical mapping. Operators endure this level of friction because of the massive industrial extraction pipelines. Specialized corporate placements, offshore drilling engineers, petroleum geologists, and technical contractors comfortably pull net monthly packages ranging from $4,000 to over $8,500. But the payoff extends deeply into the local culture. This resilient society is anchored by a massive obsession with professional baseball and hyper-energetic music. That heavy, slow-simmered culinary heritage is a point of pride. The arepa, thick ground maize dough packed to the limit with shredded beef, black beans, and local cheese, is the undisputed national culinary icon. Engaging with this landscape safely requires timing your mission for the dry window. From December to April, the extreme tropical downpours finally stop, and the heavy paths into the deep Amazon stabilize. High financial yields, layered over a powerfully rich communal culture, create an intense gravity. International operators keep coming back. This environment guards impossible planetary anomalies. Carapacupai Maru, cutting through the Ollantaytambo, is officially the highest uninterrupted waterfall on Earth, dropping nearly 1,000 meters straight down. Further west, the Catatumbo whiting anomaly generates a relentless 10-hour storm of silent electrical strikes over Lake Maracaibo every single night. Venezuela offers a concentrated blend of world-class geography and immense resource wealth. Navigating it successfully depends entirely on the precision of your ground-level planning. Knowing the friction and the payoff, would you baseline your next professional asset track inside this specific resource titan? Let us know in the comments below. Next stop, Vietnam. We map the booming tropical technology hubs, massive value arbitrage pipelines, and motor scooter swarms of Southeast Asia. Subscribe to stay real.